Good day everyone. This is the rights guaranteed during Custodial Investigation Republic Act number 7438. Number 1. Right to counsel. The person has the right to competent and independent counsel of their own choice. Number 2. Right to be informed of their rights. They must be informed of their rights in the language or dialect that they can understand at the time of arrest and before questioning. Number 3. Right to remain silent. They cannot compel to testify against themselves. Then, number 4. Rights against violence, rights against torture, force, or violence. Any threats, intimidation, coercion, or violence to extract a confession or information is illegal and inadmissible in court. Number 5. Right to confidential communication with counsel. Communication between the person and their lawyer must be private and confidential. Number 6. Right to visit and confer privately. And any member of immediate family, medical doctors or priest, and NGO representative. Number 7. Right to notify family or relative. The person has the right to have their family, relative, or friends notified at their situation after arrests. Number 8. Right to free assistance. Indigent persons under custodial investigation must be provided free and competent legal assistance. And that's all. Thank you.